Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only, and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it would seem that the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of six major currencies, has taken a further tumble in the Australasian session and therefore has put a little bit more upstep for some of these currencies. Looking at the Australian dollar, the market is still on track towards the target of 70.15 to 70.65. Now, I have mentioned that we could see profit taken from this area only due to that last candle that we could see back here in June did actually display quite a sell-off. Nevertheless, the market is still heading and still respectively holding to that bull trend with the ADX supporting that call, and with the MACD married up to the RSI, should see further gains. With any pullback, I see support around 69.65. Although the market has been watching the euro idling around the 102, the market is still, I feel, destined to take the challenge higher, and that is towards the region of 102.70.80 due to the Dragonfly Doji, positive RSI, and married up to the MACD. I feel that there is further scope to the upside. Now, clearing that level of 102.70.80 would see a further rise to this downtrend. As you can see, it's quite a significant downtrend, which comes in at 104.30. With the dollar weakening, dollar yen took out the level, which was a key point to the trend at 134.60.90. Crushing this level, the market has continued on and now looking down towards a potential target of 131.40.65. We are getting a little bit oversold, but nevertheless, the trend is bearish, just about to come through here with the ADX. So I feel there is still a little bit more downside risk. Sterling, well, although there has been little economic data for the UK, the market is still finding that the bulls are continuing to smile for the sterling outlook as it rises further since breaking this downtrend. But we are a little bit overbought, but nevertheless, I'm still holding the call. It was to 122 to 124, but we're nearly at 122, so it's now 123 to 124, where I've outlined that blue line here. Because it's a mild pullback, but I still feel that there is still potential, and also from given that some of these candles, the market snapped up any weak play into the session, so therefore I feel that we are going to get a further rally. The market call to the upside has nearly been reached already, with 1,765 being challenged. In light of the pattern, clearing that 1,746, the call was towards 1,772 to 74, or even up to around 1,800. And with the dollar tumbling quite heavily today, has put a little bit more upstep for gold. And I feel that there is still an upside potential to the region, as I mentioned, 1,800, and reassess from there. The upside challenge for oil, thought twice about taking on that challenge with a downtrend, and also at $99 a barrel. From the rejection, has put a little bit of a softer step into the market, and looking now towards the support level of 95.30 to 94.60. But I still feel that any downside challenges towards this 92 2040 area will be snapped up and maybe see another test to the upside. If you are looking for a broader pattern, I think this one should be the market to view on, as we're looking at a base at 92 and a top around $99 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for the week. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.